Mobile gamers, do I have a smartphone for you? What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to UnGeek, and today we have another special unboxing for you guys, care of our friends from Realme. Ibang klase talaga tong si Realme, no? Just 5 days after our unboxing of the Realme 6 Pro, we have here again another Realme product, and this time this is the Realme 6. So this is the base model that we have here, and we're gonna be unboxing this for you guys. Wow, so now the circle is complete. Let's go on with this. Now, before we go into the unboxing, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so because we're outing more and more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for everyone who's subbed and for everyone who's been supporting the channel. And we really appreciate you guys. Just keep supporting it. Madami pang stuff on the way. Now, the Realme 6 comes in the signature Realme yellow box, and the highlighted features are seen here at the back. Now, we will go through these features in a bit, but right now, let's just open this thing up. Okay. So ito na naman tayo, trying to be as careful. Nah, you know what? You'll just rip everything off. And here we go, fresh box. Taking the plastic out, and let's open it up for the first time. Ooh. And as always, you will be greeted with the welcoming remarks from Realme. It says here, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." And at the back, it will... Oh, it doesn't say anything at the back. Interesting. Okay. So, medyo plain lang siya. Now, inside this packet, you will find a soft jelly case, a couple of pamphlets that no one really reads, and the SIM ejector tool. So, nandito na siya, unlike the one in the Realme 6 Pro. Now, before we go into the phone, let's see what else is inside here. Now, of course, inside you have your charging cable, which is a USB Type-C, and your charger. As typical with any Realme releases, it does not come with any earphones. Of course, this can be easily remedied by purchasing a Realme Buds and or any other type of headset or earphones that you want. And here we go. This is going to be our official first look at the Realme 6. Opening the plastic right now for you guys. Boom! Whoa! Wait lang. Look how clean that is! We got ourselves a white colorway. The official name for this is Comet White. And if in the Realme 6 Pro, it has a lightning insignia or a lightning design element and inspiration, this one gets its inspiration from the Comet. So it's not as blatantly obvious as the lightning design on the 6 Pro. For this one, the light seems to converge on a singular point here, sort of mimicking a meteor shower or an asteroid fall or a comet fall. Personally, and this is going to sound a little bit weeb, it does remind me of Your Name. The pearlescent white effect gives it an outer-worldly sort of glow. And don't be fooled by the shiny, shimmering lights that you find here. This is actually not a fingerprint magnet, something I super appreciate. Of course, that also means that it is not glass back. So yes, despite the look, this is actually polycarb, but I do appreciate the finish. It does look luxurious, it does look premium, and it certainly does not look super plasticky. Now, wrapping around this gorgeous Comet White back is an equally gorgeous silver bezel that has a matte finish. Now, on this side, you will find the power button that also houses the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And here on the other side, you will actually be greeted with the volume rocker and your slot for your SIM card and micro SD cards as well. Towards the rear, you will be greeted with a USB-C port and a 3.5mm jack. Now, the Realme 6 has a large 6.5-inch Full HD display screen that also has a punch hole camera instead of a teardrop notch, which opens your screen up more. So the great thing about the Realme 6 is that it also has a 90Hz refresh rate, something that's really hard-pressed to see in this price level, in this price category. So as for protection, similar with the Realme 6 Pro, the Realme 6 also uses the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So as you can see, we have not set this up. We will set this up in a bit and we'll show you guys what's inside. Now, before we go into the internals, let's first check on the camera. So the camera on the Realme 6, much like that of the 6 Pro, has a quad camera setup. The main difference of the two, of course, would be that the 6 Pro has a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, while this one does not have. Now, the configuration on the 6 is that it has a 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel black and white camera. Now, while that may seem like a step down, it still does employ the ultra image stabilization that you can find on the Realme 6 Pro. Now, for the front-facing camera, obviously it's just one camera now. You don't have an ultra-wide cam, sad to say, but it still has a 16 megapixel wide camera. Now, it should be able to give you amazing selfies nonetheless. It also has what Realme is claiming as a Selfie. It's a 120 FPS slow-mo shot using the selfie camera. Why you want to do this, I have no idea, but we're probably going to try and check it out as well at one point. Now, coming to the internals, the Realme 6 uses the Realme UI. It's not an Oppo UI anymore, and they've been using this in the past couple of phones. It is really clean, it's really streamlined, which is riding on an Android 10 as well. Similar to the Realme 6 Pro, the Realme 6 also comes with 4,300 mAh power battery and a 30-watt VOOC flash charger. Now, powering all of this, and the reason why Realme is touting this as their smartphone for gamers, is MediaTek's Helio G90T, a processor that should deliver flagship-like gaming processing. So aside from this, Realme 6 has Hyper Boost technology, which should theoretically improve your gaming experience. Of course, we will have to conduct our own tests as well, and we will give you guys our feedback once we do so. Now, coupling the supposedly powerful processor is 8 gigs of RAM, and in our case, 128 gigs of storage. Now, I understand there is also a lower model. We're not entirely sure if that's going to be a 664 or 464. We will probably know when this launches on the 27th as well. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you check out Realme's page and block that schedule off May 27, 12 noon. Make sure that you're there, and we're all going to be watching when they reveal more info on the Realme 6 and the Realme 6 Pro. Now, as far as price is concerned, as of this recording, we still have no idea what that is, but we have to assume that since we already know what the 6i's price is, and we already have an idea more or less of what the 6 Pro would be, or at least the cap, this would be somewhere in between. And with Realme Philippines track record, so far they have been hitting the prices right on the head. Every single time that they release, it's automatically almost always sold out. So if I were you, keep it locked here at ungeek.ph or check out Realme's page, because we will definitely give you the info as soon as we get our hands on it. And that's it for this really quick unboxing of the Realme 6. Let us know your thoughts at the comment section down below. And with that, my name is Colin. If you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Keep on gaming.